In this video, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok account if you don't have access to the email address or phone number associated with it. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're on the login screen, tap on the question mark icon in the top right corner. Next, select Recover Your Account. Now, enter the username of the TikTok account you're trying to recover and tap Search. When your account appears, tap on Need More Help. TikTok will now open a support chat or help request form where you can contact the TikTok support team directly. In your message, explain that you're unable to access your account because you no longer have access to the email address or phone number linked to it. Make sure to include your TikTok username and provide a current email address where TikTok can contact you. Once you've submitted your request, wait for TikTok support to review your case and respond with further instructions. The support team may ask you to verify your identity or provide additional information to confirm ownership of the account. After verification, TikTok will guide you through the steps required to regain access to your account. And that's it. That's how you can recover a TikTok account without access to the phone number or email address. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.